Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we've got a really cool JJRC mini drone. Here's a little picture with the controller. A couple specs here. You can see it comes in a couple colors. So we'll get it unboxed and show you what's going on. Okay, here's everything that comes in the box. You've got the quadcopter with the battery in it, some spare propellers, a little flyer about AR Master Shooter game from JJ Games, the manual, and you have the transmitter here. Now this one, to charge the battery, the transmitter on the top, you plug it into the transmitter. So your batteries, you can see here you're going to need 4 AA's, are what is going to charge the quad battery. Here's a little closer look at the quadcopter. Little LiPo on the bottom there. It's got a fairly common connector. Yeah, so, but this does not come with a USB charger, so you have to charge with this. The controller, what the buttons do on the controller, first of all, you'll notice there's no altitude hold on this one. This is your standard throttle style. This here is your high and low speed control, so it'd be rates. This here is your 1-key start. This one is your 1-key landing. And then the top ones here, you have left rotation, they call it. And this one says short press for right rotation, long press for calibration. So I'm not entirely sure what that means, but once we get it flying, I'll show you once we get it in the air. So make sure you come back and we'll get it charged up and take her for a flight. Okay, here we've got it charged up. We're gonna try something a little different here and fly this in the house. I tried flying it outside, didn't work too well. The weather here lately has been crazy, kind of like my little dog there. But anyways, I'm gonna try to get it in a couple cameras here, so hopefully this works out. So here we go. So we'll plug it in. Got our flashing lights. We'll turn this on. Up, down, bind. See the lights change there. Everything looks good. Let's make it happen. So these here do the rudder yaw. You'll see as I'm flying there's no rudder stick. So, and this only works when you go full. You see how the light flashes when I go full deflection, so it's a little tricky. So anyways, here we go. So rudder click. It's a little tricky. So you got the flip button. But it flies decent otherwise. Good and stable. It's a little different because when you move the stick, nothing happens. Hope you guys can see that in the view there. So we'll take off. I'll get it over here and I'll hold down that turn. It's nice it has bumpers because you could bounce it off things. Does really great little flips. You got to do everything with one hand, so there's a little learning curve on this one. Got a lot of power. We'll go down here and we'll hit a full throttle. Does pretty good there. Rowdy, you're okay, buddy. Okay, and we're back. Try zooming in a little bit here for you guys. If I can get the transmitter into view so you guys can see it all. Got decent flight time on it. Yeah, ready. Let's see if I can get her up here for you guys. So there it is. JJRC. See, the wires and the V shape go to the front like so. Here's your transmitter. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to enter my contest so you can win some free quads. Thanks for stopping by.